Hi friends, so this video shows how to install and use screen terminal multiplexer in Linux or Unix system. So first we need to install screen terminal multiplexer. So if you are using Ubuntu or Linux Mint or Debian system, you can use this apt install screen command to install the screen. I already installed it. So if you are using CentOS or RHEL system, you have to install it using install screen command. Okay. So after installation, you can just create a new screen by simply running screen. Just enter again. So now you are inside the new screen session. So here you can run any command. Let me run command pwd. So if you want to exit from the the current session, you can just press Ctrl-a, then press D. Okay, now I am outside the screen session. If you want to list all sessions which you created, we can just run the command screen -ls. You can see that I have created one screen session that you can see here. This is a session, you can say this is a session ID or something. So let me create one more screen. Just type screen, press enter. Then here I am going to run the command ls. Then I am going to exit from here, just detach from this session, press Ctrl-a D. Now let me list it. Now you can see two detached screen sessions. Okay, so if you want to go to one of the screen session, for example I want to go to this screen session, the session which I created first. Okay, just copy the session ID, then type screen -r. R means R option we are using to attach to the session, then session ID. See, now you are inside that session. You can see the command which we executed earlier. Okay, let me go out, Ctrl-a D. You can also create set a name. You can see this name it's creating automatically. Suppose if you want to give a new name, you want to set a name, we can use -S. For example, I want to create a session named S1. So it will create a new session with the name S1. Enter. So here I am going to run the command df. Okay. Then Ctrl-a D, detach from the session. Then I am going to list the session. Sorry, Ctrl-a D, screen -ls. Now we can see it has created the session with the name S1. Some number will be there. Okay, so let me go inside this session. I'm going to attach to that session screen -r, then the session ID. So right now it has only one window. In one section you can create a multiple windows. Okay, so for that we need to, if you in this session right now it has only one window, you can list the window by running the command Ctrl-a, then Ctrl-a shift double quotes. So right now only one session. So I am going one screen. I am going to create one more screen here. For that you have to press Ctrl-a. This Ctrl-a is we are using because the control, when you press Ctrl-a and if you type something after Ctrl-a, that means that command is for the session or screen terminal multiplexer. So that is why we, for all the commands, all these screen commands, we use this Ctrl-a to tell the terminal that this command is for the screen terminal multiplexer. Okay, so I am going to create a new window here. Just press Ctrl-a, then Ctrl-a, then press C. Now I created one screen here. We can let me create one more screen here. Press Ctrl-a, C. Now in this session total 3 windows are there. So if you want to see that windows, just press Ctrl-a, Shift double quotes. You can see 3 windows. So you can also set the name for the window. For example, I am going to give this first window, I am going to give W1. For that, Ctrl-a, colon, then title W1. So now I given the name for the window 1. Let me check it. We can see W1 here. Next I am going to give the name for the window 2. Go to window 2, then press Ctrl-a, colon, title W2. Now we can see W1, W2. Now I am going to give the name for this last window. Select it, then Ctrl-a, colon, title W3. Now we can see I have created 3 windows. This is the first window. Then in the second window I am going to run another command, du. Okay. In the third window I am going to run the command fdisk something. Okay, now total 3 windows are here in this session. Okay, so let me go out. Suppose if you want to delete a particular session, you can just go to that session, for example screen -r, then the session ID. So you can see total 4 sessions are here. I am going to delete one. Go to that session, then press Ctrl-a, K. Then here you can see Sakim really kill this window. Okay, type Y. Now I deleted one window, one screen session. Let me list it. Now we can see only 3. Okay. So there is a lot of other options. So now I am going to stop it. I think this is enough for the start. You can figure out what are the other options available. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video. So let me show one more thing. Let me join that session S1. So in this session I already created 3 windows, right? You can just switch to the window. Oh, not this one. Let me go to this session screen -r. So in this one total 3 windows are here. You can also use Ctrl-a nest. It will go to nest window. Or you can use Ctrl-a p. It will go to previous window. It's very easy. Okay. Okay. Anyway, you try it. And please comment if you are facing any issue. I will help you.